Hey everyone, if you're stuck in the undoing changes made to your computer loop while installing Windows 11 or any other update, you know how frustrating it is. Your system reboots, tries to update, and then boom, it fails. Rollbacks and does the same thing over and over again until you end up with blue screen of death. I faced this exact issue, spent hours debugging, and finally cracked the fix. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get out of this update loop and get your PC running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. Welcome to my channel, Pineapple. Before I found the solution, I tried multiple fixes. Startup repair, system restore, not an option since I had no restore point saved. I tried to enter the safe mode but kept looping back to the same error. And I also tried resetting my PC by using the keep files option, still got the same error. Even when I tried to install using the cloud or using the local install option. At this point, nothing seemed to work, but I then found a solution using the command prompt of executing a couple of commands, and then comes the next crucial steps. I was only able to solve that issue by performing that particular step after executing these commands. So don't skip, watch the video fully. I know your system won't boot. So the first thing you need to do is go to the system recovery options. For that, you have to shut down your system if that issue is occurring, and then you should click F10, F11 or F12 based on your system or laptop. For Legion, I have a special button at the right side, so I use a pin to click on it. Once it is done, it will automatically move to this startup option where I can see 4 options, and once I click on system recovery, I'll be able to move to the advanced troubleshooting options, and we will see the system recovery screen. Once you are here, click on troubleshoot and click on advanced options. Once you click on it, you will be able to see various troubleshooting options available, and we are going with command prompt. You can log into your account, enter the password, and execute the following commands as I execute here now. So please follow the steps and execute all the commands without missing anything. And this is the last command. Once you give exit, you will see the screen. But for me, since I solved the problem, won't see the use another operating system screen. But here you can see that you'll have an option called use another operating system. So you should go there and change the default option to Windows 10 or 11, whichever version you have, and don't select Windows Rollback. Once you click on Windows 10 or Windows 11, your PC will start rebooting and it will take a while, and leave it for it to complete. Don't turn off your system. Make sure you are plugged in to power, and once it is done, you will see that your system is back online. There is one another crucial step. We need to delete the Windows rollback option from the booting menu. For that, follow these steps. That is, go to run, msconfig, boot, and select the Windows Rollback and delete it and restart your system. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it really was, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.